Hi guys, this video is to help you with your Unit 6 Day 1 worksheet. And so we're going to look at the back. Let's start by looking at number 3. In order to graph an equation, remember we have to have that equation in y equals mx plus b form. Looking at number 3, I see that y isn't by itself. So we're going to subtract the x from both sides, and then we'll have the y by itself. Remember, we want to put our x term first and then our constant. So the slope of that line is going to be -1, and the y-intercept of that line is going to be -2. Then looking at our other line, the slope of that line, the number in front of x is 4, and the constant is -7, so that's our y-intercept. Now we're going to graph those two lines. And so, starting at our y-intercept of -2, we're going to put a dot, and then we're going to go down 1 and right 2. And then we're going to connect those dots to make a straight line. And then we're going to do the same thing with our second line. So we're going to start at -7. And we're going to go up 4 and to the right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1. And I see right away that those two lines are crossing at 1, -3. So our solution is 1, -3. And we're going to be certain to use a ruler to make those lines. And you're going to want to label your lines. And you're going to want to make sure that on the ends of your lines you have arrows. And again, we're going to label that. And we're going to label it with the original equation, x plus y equals -2. Okay. Question number 4 says, Marianne and Carlos are each saving for new scooters. So far, Marianne has saved $9 and can earn $6 per hour babysitting. So right away, I'm thinking, oh wait, that's probably going to be my slope because it's how much she's earning per hour. Carlos has saved $3 and can earn $9 per hour. After how many hours of work will Marianne and Carlos save the same amount? What will the amount be? So since we're given a graph, let's graph these situations. So for Marianne, I'm going to make her graph in blue, and she has saved $9, and she earned $6 per hour babysitting. So we're going to go up 6 and over 1. And be careful, make sure you're using the scale there on the axes, that each one of those boxes is 3 going up. And we can label that with Marianne. And then we're going to make Carlos's line. He is starting at $3 and he's saving $9 per hour. So he's going to go up 3 boxes and over 1. Up 3 boxes and over 1. I see they cross right here at over 2, up 21. And again, you're going to use a straight edge for those, and your points will be a little bit more perfect than mine with the stylus here. So if I see that it crossed at point 221. Our first question was after how many hours? I see hours is the x value. So I would say after 2 hours, their saved amount will both be, and if I look up the other axis, that has amount saved, so they've both saved $21. If you have any questions, please let us know.